Hello friend, let's see how to turn flat photo into realistic 3D wood carving art by using Canva. So subscribe to my channel for more design ideas. Now first take Instagram post layout. Now select this dragon graphics, resize in page. Okay, like this. Place in center. Now go in edit, go in effect, choose two tone, click on custom, and here highlight and shadow change to white color. Okay, now press Alt R for rectangle, then change the rectangle color to yellow, go in layer and rectangle को आपको send to back कर लेना है. Okay, now rectangle resize like this. Now download this image into the PNG format. Now go to next page, then upload here downloaded image, remove the background. Now select this old background texture, a photo, then इसको भी आपको send to back कर लेना है. Then resize here like this. Now go in edit and select shadow, go in drop shadow and here keep blur amount 7, then distance up to 18. Okay, and intensity keep up to 60. Okay, now go to first page and here copy this white image, then second page पे आपको पेस्ट कर लेनी है, then overlap on image, then decrease the transparency. Before that go in effect, choose two tone, click on custom and here highlight का color black करना है, then shadow keep white, then decrease the transparency up to 26. Now press Alt R for rectangle and जो भी white space है उसको आपको इस तरीके से rectangle से fill कर लेना है. Okay, like this. Now download this page into PNG format. Okay, now go to third page and upload here downloaded image. Now remove the background, then see the magic. Here we go. देखो 3D wood carving effect create हो गया है, बस उसको थोड़ा enhance कर देंगे. So increase the temperature, decrease the brightness, then again increase some contrast, add some sharpness and clarity, add some saturation. Now you can see your 3D wood carving effect is ready. Now download this into the PNG format. In this way you can turn flat photo into 3D wood carving art. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Take care.